Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss the worst resale killers of your car watch till the end, for the most common resale killer which you don't even know your car might be having it. But first, subscribe to my channel for more such informative videos. The resale value of a car reflects how much it is worth when sold or traded in after its initial purchase. Factors such as brand reputation, maintenance history, mileage, accident records, and overall condition significantly impact a car's market value. Cars from reliable manufacturers known for durability and efficiency tend to hold value better over time. Proper upkeep, including timely servicing and maintaining clean interiors, can further preserve value. Conversely, excessive wear, mechanical issues, or customization often reduce appeal to potential buyers. Understanding these factors and keeping a vehicle in optimal condition helps maximize resale potential. Comprehensive factors that lower car resale value. 1. Neglected maintenance, engine problems. Ignoring regular oil changes leads to sludge buildup and engine wear. Brake system. Wear, worn-out brake pads or rotors suggest poor care. Tire condition. Bald or mismatched tires indicate poor upkeep. Battery issues, weak or dead batteries show the vehicle may not be reliable. Suspension issues, damaged shock absorbers or struts affect ride quality and safety.
2. Accident and repair history, frame damage, reduces structural integrity, making the car unsafe. Poor repair jobs, shoddy bodywork or mismatched paint signals possible hidden damage. Airbag deployment. A history of deployed airbags decreases resale value significantly.
3. Appearance issues, faded or oxidized paint. Sun damage makes the car look older than it is. Window tinting, dark or peeling tint can be unappealing and often illegal in some areas. Headlight fogging. Cloudy headlights reduce night visibility and aesthetic value.
4. Title issues. Salvage title indicates the car was declared a total loss by an insurance company. Rebuilt title. While repaired, these cars still carry a stigma, reducing demand.
5. Excessive mileage. Even with good maintenance, high mileage reduces perceived longevity. Buyers typically prefer vehicles with under 60,000 miles for long-term use.
6. Mechanical problems, transmission, troubles, slipping gears or delayed shifting scare off buyers. Leaking fluids, coolant, transmission or oil leaks suggest expensive repairs. Noisy components, knocking engines or grinding brakes signal neglect.
7. Obsolete features, manual windows or locks. Buyers expect power-operated controls. Outdated safety features, lack of ABS, traction control, or airbags lowers appeal.
8. Environmental damage. Hail damage. Dents from hailstorms can be expensive to fix. Flood damage often leads to electrical and corrosion issues. Sun exposure. Prolonged sun exposure deteriorates interiors and fades paint.
9. Lack of documentation. Missing service history or ownership papers makes buyers hesitant.
10. Ownership perception sloss. Rental or fleet history. Cars previously used for rentals or fleets are often seen as less desirable due to higher usage. Commercial use. Work vehicles typically have more wear and tear.
11. Poor fuel efficiency. Older gas-guzzling vehicles lose demand when fuel prices rise.
12. Customizations and personalization. Non-factory sound systems may not integrate well or fit buyers' preferences. Lift kits or lowered suspensions may reduce practical usability. Non-factory exhaust systems can be too loud for most buyers.
13. Safety concerns. Non-functioning safety features, broken seatbelts, faulty airbags, or malfunctioning sensors deter buyers. Outdated safety ratings. Older models that lack modern crash safety ratings lose appeal. 14. Legal issues. Unpaid taxes or fines can create complications for prospective buyers. Failed emissions. Tests. A vehicle that cannot pass inspection reduces resale value drastically. 15. Economic and market trends. Market preferences change. For instance, demand for electric and hybrid vehicles continues to rise. Economic downturns make buyers more price-conscious and selective. Tips to maximize resale value. Service consistently. Stick to scheduled maintenance. Protect the exterior. Regular washing, waxing, and parking in shaded areas prevent sun and environmental damage. Maintain the interior. Use seat covers and clean carpets to prevent damage. Repair minor issues. Fix small dents, scratches, and windshield cracks before they worsen. Retain original parts. Save any replaced factory parts as they may appeal to future buyers. Price competitively. Research market trends to price the vehicle attractively, based on condition. Following these practices can significantly improve resale value and buyer confidence.